This video will show you how to repair a ripped handle on an inflatable rubber ring. The first job is to clean the area with some isopropyl alcohol to remove any grease. Next, with some coarse sandpaper, roughen the area where you are going to apply the adhesive and clean it off. Next, apply the Stormshore Flexible Repair Adhesive over the damaged area, allowing about 5 mm either side of the actual damage itself. Remember to do this job at room temperature and certainly no colder than 10 Celsius. If the glue is too cold, it will look granular, white and waxy. Now with the spatula, just make sure that the glue is evenly spread either side of the damaged area and looks neat and tidy. Then leave it overnight to cure. Now 12 hours later, I've inflated the tube and you can see a really good strong repair on that badly damaged handle.